So guys, what we have here, we have my friend here, he asked for taper on the sides, taper on the sides and the back, starting from only 0, not the skin fade. The top, I will trim the top a little bit. So before you start, before you do anything, clip the top and find the natural partition of the both sides. And now I will show you how you cut this top. If you can see, there is a loss of long hair here, extra hair from the sides and from the back also. This one we have to match it with the, like we have to match the sides first before we start to do any taper or cut this one using your scissors. So now after we cut all the extra hair, we just clean the edges. Now next step, I'm gonna use some thinning scissor here to match between the hair. So now we will start with the taper. You want to go low taper or mid taper?
Let's go low taper.
Low taper, okay. So you start with the 0 guide line. Now we jump to half. Now between the 0 and the half, you put like halfway clipper. You open the guide like the clipper halfway and you just hit between. And now you use number 1.5 level open. Always flick the clipper out. Now number 1 level open just before the end of the number 2. You always flick the clipper out. Now half level open only on this guideline, only the hair. To match between my taper and the sides, the top of the sides, use number 2 level open and you hit only on this line. Flick the clipper like that way. So after I finish the same thing from the sides and the back, I will start with cut the top. I will show you how you cut the top. Always start from the middle. Get like the French first and ask your customer about how much to cut. Cut this much of it. So when you start cutting the top, first cut will become your guideline. Now you start to get the hair from the middle. See, you follow your guideline. Every time you get like another section from the back and you match the guideline, the front guideline. See, you get another section from the back and also you match your guideline. Another section by section until you make all the hair like same level. On the back, try to make the angle, change the angle that way, just to make it blend. Now after you create the guideline in the middle, you start to take the section from the right side, but in this case you do the angle that way. Same thing from the left side. This is the final of the haircuts. Abi, like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Raise your hands up. It's so much. It's just normal haircuts and normal barber shop. No colors, no filters, no enhancements, nothing, just natural haircuts. Thanks so much, guys.
First choice barber.